Over the past week, Thugger's recorded jail calls have been surfacing online, and they've been nothing short of explosive. He's been heard casually name-dropping Gunna, YSL, Future, Drake, and even GloRilla, sparking endless discussions. But the most damaging revelation came when he admitted to cheating in the past. First of all, I'm sorry to you for my words, and I honestly don't think are ugly at all. I was speaking from jail, just having a hard time with life, Thug wrote. I don't like bashing girls and hardly ever did. I'm sorry to you, twin.